Namaste guys. Do you feel frustrated by seeing hair on your comb? Do you feel frustrated when you see hair falling down on the ground? Do you feel frustrated that why is my hair falling so much? Then this video is for you. Watch this video completely till the end. Hi and namaste. I am Sachin Hamar, creator of Self Healer Sub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier, and a more fulfilled life through the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. And Ayurveda is an integration of body, mind, and soul, and not just bitter medicines. And today's topic is why hair fall occurs according to Ayurveda. And watch this video completely till the end to understand the reasons. Okay, and let's begin, right? Let's begin. So type in the comment box ready to learn. Type in the comment box ready to learn, RTL. Type in the comment box RTL, and let me share my screen right now with you so that we can start today's session. All right, so I hope you're able to see my screen. I hope it's crystal clear for you. Okay, so let's understand why hair fall occurs. Okay, so hair is always attached to a root. It's attached to a root, is it not? Hair is attached to a root, and that root should be strong. And what Ayurveda says is, always find the root cause of a disease and take it out. Do not suppress something. Take the root cause of a disease and take it out. That's what Ayurveda suggests. So that's why maybe Ayurveda takes little time to work. Why? Because it is finding the root cause of the disease. And similar way, for hair fall, this is the thing. This is the topics which I have covered for today. I have 5 topics. Okay, so what are those reasons why hair fall occurs? Yes. Okay, so let's begin, right? Type ready to learn in the comment box. Type RTL in the comment box. Type RTL in the comment box if you are ready to learn. I would like to welcome people. Namaste, whoever is watching live. Namaste to all of you. Please give me a big hi in the comment box if you're watching live. Yeah, give me a big hi. Even if you're watching replay as well, give me a big hi. Okay, so what is the first topic? It is delayed sleep. Yes, Ayurveda has given the sleep time between 10 to 11. You have to sleep. Yes, I agree. I understand if you are a night shift worker, it's not possible. But if you're not, then 11 o'clock should be the time you have to go to bed. These days, we are increasingly, getting addicted to watching too much on social media. Yes, it's needed. Social media is needed. You need to catch up with the news. Yes, but if you endlessly keep scrolling at the night, see what happens is if you stay up greater than 11 o'clock, going to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, then what happens is the vata is increasing in your body, and when the vata is blowing up, the air is blowing, the roots of the hair become weak. They become very weak, and then it starts falling off. So if you are having a delayed sleep pattern, like if you're scrolling on the sleeping on the bed and scrolling on the social media, then I am telling you there is problem of hair fall. This is one of the biggest problems of hair fall. Delayed sleep. If you're having delayed sleep, then automatically there is more hair fall. So do not have delayed sleep, but have a good sleep. Please understand this. Have a good sleep. So delayed sleep is one of the major reason why hair fall occurs. So please make sure you do not have delayed sleep. Do not go to bed late. Okay. Next, what is the next, guys? What is the next? Yeah, type reveal it in the comment box. Type reveal it. Second is very hot or spicy food. If you're taking too much of spicy or salty foods. So let me take it here. Hot, spicy, and salty foods. If you're taking this, then also there is a lot of chances of hair fall. This is why this is, because salt will automatically make the roots weak. Do not use too much of salt. And spicy, why no spicy, you will ask? See, it's like you have a plant in your home. Okay, you have a plant in your pot. Have you ever put hot water onto it? Have you ever put hot water to the roots of a plant? Similar way, if you are eating a lot of spicy food, you're increasing the heat inside the body. What will happen to the roots of your hair? If you increase the heat in the body, the roots will become weak and the hair will fall. So hot food or very spicy food or very salty food, yeah, only one taste, overly tasty food, if you're doing, then hair fall is occurring. Okay, so understand that this is a very big problem, and if you want to use salt, always use the rock salt. Okay, always use the rock salt. It's very good for your hair. So never have too much of spicy food, too much salty foods. Okay, these are causing hair fall issues in you. All right, too much of spicy food or too much of salty food is causing hair fall. The first reason was delayed sleep. Do not sleep or go to bed late. Second, hot and spicy and salty food needs to be reduced in your diet, in your daily life, or else hair fall will not stop. Third, yes, this is very important. See, in Ayurveda, they had a concept of massage. They gave us during festivals. Our mothers and fathers used to put oil to whole of our body, and then we used to sit in the sun. Yeah, sit in the sun and soak up all the sun and the oil, and then take a bath. Yeah, correct. But now we are having the habit of putting the oil after the bath. So once you have wet hair, and then on top of that you put oil, what will happen? It will start falling off. Instead of that, Ayurveda says you need to make sure you are putting your oils on your head only before bath. So before bath, you should make sure you put the oil. Do not put the oil after the bath. I hope it's clear. Type CC if you understood it. Type crystal clear in the comment box. Type crystal clear in the comment box if you understood that. Okay, so what is the next topic? This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Too much experiments with your hair. See, hair is as a crown to our head. Okay, it's a crown to our head, and usko ज़्यादा experiment नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not experiment too much with it. Okay, if you are experimenting too much with it, then what will happen is, putting all kind of you're putting all kind of experiments, colors. You're doing a lot of experiments with your hair. Yeah, but do it naturally if you want, but do not do many experiments with chemicals. Yeah, do not color your hairs. See what will happen? The chemicals will weaken the roots, and automatically it will fall out. That's it. What will happen if a tree's root is gone? It becomes weak. It will fall out. Is it not? Similar way. If you're experimenting too much with your hair, if you're experimenting too much with your hair, putting too much, some chemicals. I don't know what and all we are putting these days onto our heads. Yeah. So make sure you're not doing too much experimentation with your hair. It's also very important to stop the hair fall. So I hope you understood that point. Next, what is the last point is, yes, see, understand, we took that the spicy food is there. We have a spicy food. Too much of spicy food we are eating, right? But that is internal heat. Yeah. What about the mental heat? Mental heat is through to the anger, tension, and stress. And how do you not control, master anger, tension, and stress? Is through techniques of yoga, meditation. You master anger, tension, and stress. By being rooted in spirituality, you master anger, tension, and stress. Yes. So that's how you're going to master it, not by controlling anger or controlling stress. Those will be part of you, but you have to master them. That's what it is. And major hair fall is due to stress, due to anger, due to tension. And if you do not take it under your hands, take the control over it, you will never be able to stop those hair falls. Anger, tension, and stress also are a major reason of hair fall. So understand the 5 steps again. First, delayed sleep. The sleep pattern should be good. Do not sleep after 12 o'clock. This is very dangerous for your hair. Second, don't have too much spicy or salty foods. Do not have this. Third, don't put oil onto your head after bath, preferably before bath, put it. Fourth, do not do too much experimentations with your hair. Do not do too much experimentations with your hair. Fifth, do not let anger, tension, stress control you, but you master them. Anger, tension, stress are a big reason why hair falls occur, and anger, tension, stress needs to be mastered using meditation and yogic techniques. Use them, master it. All right. You can watch the videos on my YouTube channel on how to handle stress and anxiety. I recently did a podcast as well on that, on the 3E principle on how to master your stress and anxiety. I already did that. You can go and check it out on my page as well. Yeah. So I hope you understood why the hair fall is happening and understood what are the hair fall causes according to Ayurveda. And if you love this content, I would humbly invite you to join my VIP group where I share exclusive live Q&A sessions and exclusive. I do voting there, so you can get a say in what content I put out. Yeah, so it benefits you more and more. So you can join my VIP group whose comment will be there. In the first comment, I'll put the link. You can join my Facebook VIP group, and I'm looking forward to welcome you there. And if you love this content, like, comment below your toppest learnings, and share and pay it forward. Pay it forward to people who will be benefited by this. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this content. Thank you so much. Self Healers Hub signing off. Thank you.